I'm at the front of the house right now. The first thing I want to show you is that the front portion has been extended. And when it comes to the living room, we can see that for this house, it has a no split level. It's flat the whole way and it's very bright and airy. Okay, so the kitchen is very huge as well. There is a dry kitchen and a wet kitchen. Right now, we're at the dry kitchen area. And the house was originally until this wall. So this entire portion that you see is all extended. Okay, look at how huge this whole area is. Of course, if you don't see the need for such a big kitchen, you can make this space into a room. No issues. Towards the back is just greenery. There's also an additional bathroom that was added in here. This is just a storeroom space. So now I'll bring you to the ground floor room. The ground floor room is designed to be very long because it's practically the whole kitchen already. It's a bit narrow, but it's very long. You can fit in a queen size bed. Okay, let's head on upstairs. As you can see, the floors, the staircase flooring has been changed from parquet to tiles. Now let's head on to the master bedroom first. It's on the left. There are 3 rooms on this floor. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Floorings have been changed as well. One thing good about this house is that it's filled with aircons. Every room has their own aircon. Yeah, the bathroom is pretty basic, but it's been remodeled before. Let's head on to the second and the third bedrooms. So the condition of this room, or of this house actually, is just in very good condition despite the age of this property, right? SS18 is a very mature area. There's a lot of amenities around here. So as you can see, in every room there's an aircon, still in good condition. And these 2 rooms that we see, they will share a shared bath like this. So if you're looking for a house that is in the heart of Subang Jaya and it's just 500 meters away from the train station, you can seriously consider this house. Good pricing, good location, and a lot of potential.